friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious Chinese style stir-fried broccoli. It's a very delicious recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. I've taken 2 large broccoli which is cut into medium pieces, 2 large onions which is sliced, about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed, 2 green chilies, and about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We need 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up well. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the crushed garlic first. Now let's add the green chilies. You can alter the green chilies according to your taste. Now stir fry the garlic till all the aroma is well released in the hot oil. Now let's add the chopped onions and stir fry it. Stir fry it for another 2 minutes. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients together. The broccoli cooks very fast, so keep all the ingredients nearby and be prepared while preparing the dish. Now let's add the washed broccoli. You can see that the broccoli is nice and fresh. Stir fry it for another 1 minute. Now let's start adding the other sauces. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And stir fry them. Don't overcook the broccoli, otherwise the texture and the taste will change. Now let's add about half a cup of water and close the pan with a lid and allow it to cook in the steam for another 1 minute. Now let's prepare the corn flour slurry. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and let's mix it with some water and keep it aside. Now let's check the broccoli. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of sugar and mix well. The sugar gives a nice flavor to this dish. At this stage, let's add the corn flour slurry into the broccoli so that all the sauces get nice and thick and sticks well to the broccoli. Once the sauce is nice and thick, you can switch off the flame and it is ready to serve. Check the seasoning and serve it hot and enjoy it with your family and friends. It's a great side dish for fried rice or noodles or any Chinese main course. So do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.